Hi there. Are you looking to achieve success and wealth in your life? Well, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a must-read for you. The book starts with the idea that everything begins with a strong desire. You must have a burning desire to achieve your goals. The second principle is faith, or the belief that you will achieve what you desire. Faith is the starting point of all achievement. The third principle is autosuggestion, or the power of self-talk. Your thoughts and words have a significant impact on your subconscious mind. The fourth principle is specialized knowledge, or the idea that you must have specialized knowledge to achieve success in your chosen field. The fifth principle is imagination, or the ability to visualize and create new ideas. The sixth principle is organized planning, or the process of creating a clear, actionable plan to achieve your goals. The seventh principle is persistence, or the ability to persevere through challenges and setbacks. The eighth principle is the power of the mastermind, or the idea that you can achieve greater success by collaborating with like-minded individuals. The ninth principle is transmutation, or the ability to transform negative emotions into positive ones. The final principle is the sixth sense, or the ability to tap into your intuition and make decisions based on inner guidance. There you have it, a brief summary of Think and Grow Rich. The book emphasizes the power of the mind, positive thinking, and taking action to achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and achieve success, this book is a great place to start.